Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of the Patron server on the Patron server with the patrons of the Patron server. We're at the casino on the Patron server, the Patron Casino. Let's look around, let's see what is new. Chickenberry. I was thinking Cluckenbell, but it's not. Main branch and headquarters. They do chickens. Staff only beyond this point. Sure. I can do that because I'm sheriff around here. So yeah, this is just a chicken cooker thingy like we have on the Minecraft server. Cooks chickens, makes chickens, delicious chickens. Very noisy though, extremely noisy. Let's leave that. We have Reed Farm. I think we've seen that before. Cactus Farm. We've seen that before. This is Death Games, which I don't think is functional yet. The redstone's still being worked on. Who to kill? Chest. Okay. Yeah, I think the redstone's still being worked on here. That's a cool thing. That's gonna exist eventually. Sure. Where is the house? Is over this way, I think. Zoom, zoom. I think this is his house. Hup. That's dirty glass. That's dirty dyes. I'm pretty sure this is his house. This is not his house. Tonesy on the roof, by the way. It's a nice roof. I like it. It's a nice roof. The roof is nice. Well, that's okay. Sure. That's really cool. Actually, yeah. Where be your? Oh, dirty down. I see. That's a lot. I will have those. I will have those right now. The dirty diamonds are getting somewhat destroyed. We arrested John. He stole the diamonds, just like outright, just stole diamonds. Like they were in a sign. He just went and mined them. I think I told the story. But he just went and mined these diamonds that were in a sign. So I arrested him. I put him in jail. Oh, well, that's nice. No need to apologize. All is good. But holy crap, that's a lot of diamonds. That's so many diamonds. Okay, I'll leave him these 5. Jesus Christ. That's a lot of diamonds. And I want to know how this functions. Game mode 3. So it's a redstone torch. Okay, redstone torch, which then. So you place. That doesn't even make sense. You place the redstone like what, here? Which then does. If I were 3 for a build. 3,000 iron blocks for a build. So this is why you gave me your dirty diamonds. That's a lot of iron blocks. I don't know how this functions here. Hang on. If I can work out how this functions, you can have your diamonds. So this, I don't even know. I have no idea. Like he placed the redstone here, like on this middle block here, which is just there's nothing there. I think I need to do some obtrusive exploration here. Yeah, man, there's nothing. Mm. Hmm. I'll give them to you after I record. Anyway, that's the thing. I have no idea how that functions. It's presumably just magic. I literally couldn't work it out. I have no idea. But anyway, we have this store here, which is Mixmax, I believe. Yes, Mixmax Fabulous Clothing Store. We've got the Man, the Spider-Man, the Joker, the Batman, the Goku, the Super Saiyan, the Hulk, the Adlington, the Carrot, and the Grid. Various sets, all for iron, which is interesting. He's buying it for iron. We have the Welcome Center. This is all we've seen this before. No new maps, I don't think. I don't think there's any new maps. Okay, we've seen all that before. We've got the post office, which is just it's the same. We've got the jail, which I built, and it's also called John's house because John's the only one who's been using it so far. But basically, I'll show you what this does. This clock shouldn't be running right now. Let's stop that from running, because it has no need to run right now. If I can select the right things, there we go. Okay, so the way this works, it tests for a player in the jail. So this is the middle of the jail and a radius coordinate. It tests for a player within the jail. If there is a player within the jail, it will keep this redstone torch off. If there is not a player within the jail, then it will TP a player to the jail. At the moment it's blank because nobody's in the jail, but if say I put Infertile Turtle in the jail, and then I would put Infertile Turtle in here, and whenever he like warped messages out or something like that, he would be teleported back to the jail. So that's how that functions. It's pretty cool, and it works, and it's got barrier blocks all around it, so like this can't be accessed, and the jail cannot be escaped from in any capacity because of the barrier blocks. So that's really cool. I was happy with that build, nice and simple. We got the witch hut, but we've seen the witch hut before, so that's the thing. We've got this part, which is closed. I think that did potions too. We've got the enchanting shop by Billy Bob, which is now open again, which is good. The market has uncrashed itself. This used to be covered in wool. It's not now. I don't know if I recorded it while it was, but it's pretty again, so that's good. We've got various beacons. Beacon over there, beacon over there, beacon there, beacon there. Not one out this way yet, but we've got various beacons. They're on a grid too, which is nice. Apart from that one. That one's not on a grid. But for the most part, they're on a grid, so like you'll always be affected by one. Out this way, we have a path now. That's cool. Out this way, we have Lilibel's house. Lilibel. Yep, Lilibel. He's got a nice little house going on here. This is just to a strip mine, I think. But then the actual house. This strip mine entrance is so fancy though. This is the actual house, I'm guessing. I haven't seen this yet. That's nice. That's cool. Nice layout going on. This over here is somebody's. Can't quite remember the name. Floating Shoplist, that's the one. Weird name, but he's got this house going on here. Just a nice little simple house with some beacons and stuff. So that's cool. Tunnel Z's house is constantly being changed. We've got a king of the ladder here, which goes all the way down to bedrock, to go with our other king of the ladder over there. Iron farm, John Gavin's house. I think that's pretty much all that's changed around spawn. This giant thing too, which I don't really know what is yet, but it's a thing that exists in the world. We'll work it out. We were testing these command block things, so if we come over here, these are what's called vanilla mods. You type this huge command into one command block, and it builds this structure for you in front of your very eyes. It's just insane how it works. This one here does bins and footprints and stuff. This one here is for path decay, I think. But if we turn this one on, it does cause some lag. Oh, why did that appear? It does cause some lag, but now you see we have footprints, which are really, really cool. Problem is it's a clock, so it does cause some lag. So I'm going to have to see either if we can up the power of the server or work something out. But it's really, really, really cool. Like, look at this. Got footprints and stuff. There's also trash bins and stuff from this one. Like, it makes a little bin and things. We got this one as well, which does path decay. So we run along and back and forth here. Oh wow, it's doing it really fast right now. Apparently. That was interesting. But if we run back and forth along here, I think this works with your steps taken stat, which is interesting. Apologies if you hear background noise. The pipes are doing stuff with the water and things. You can see the path kind of decays as you walk around, and then when we walk over the dirt, it will decay into coarse dirt and then into gravel, I believe. So it makes like a natural path where you walk. Both those are really cool, but like I said, they generate a clock. So it kind of lags the server out a bit. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by the pipes. They're being really, really noisy. I'm going to wait till they finish. I'm going to do some stuff on the casino, which hopefully you guys will be interested in, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so we're down here in the casino. I've been working on some stuff here. I've been trying to get an ATM working. I did have a villager, and the villager would trade items, but he seemed to crash the server for some reason. But anyway, we've got 1 ad pence in here, and we've got this guy, which is doing a test block. It's testing for the chest above it, which has the item in it. This 1 ad pence in it. But it doesn't seem to be working at all. If we remove this, maybe? Nope, did not have the required NBT key. If it told you more information, like it didn't have this part of the NBT key, that would be amazing, but it doesn't. But it's in slot 0B. It's a die, which has got ID die, damage 11, and that's short, S for short, count 1B, and the name of 1 ad pence and the law of official. If we maybe put the name in quotes, nothing. The name in square brackets, like the official is, nothing. I don't really know how it functions, because I literally spawned this chest in with this guy. If I go over to MC Stacker here, mcstacker.bim mcstacker.bimbimmA.com. That's what I use for this. So set block, chest, data value 2. In slot 0, there will be a dandelion yellow, one of them, with the name of adpence 1 and the law of official. So if we copy this in, we'll put another command block here quickly. We'll do that. We'll copy this in here. Boom. Okay, so right above it, it has made this, and it's got this guy, right? So now, let's copy in the test 4 block. Everything about the test 4 block is the same. Okay, so we've got 1 ad pence, law official, count 1b item blah blah blah. Do that. Did not have the required MBT tag. Okay. So then we go back to empty stacker and just take the items part of the command. So just like what items it puts into the thing, and we'll replace that with the items part from here. So it's literally using the same item data as it was when it spawned the thing. Nothing. And I've no idea why. If I put something in slot 1, what do we get? Nothing really changes. I've no idea why that doesn't function at all. Not a clue. I think maybe there's a bug. I think the going theory is you need to put in these B's, and on the damage you need to put an S. But it still doesn't work. So if any of you guys know how to do how function, then let me know, because I don't know. It just doesn't seem to want to work for whatever reason. I've been looking this up. But we do have this guy. So if we go scoreboard player add ATM1 add pence 1, and then we press this. Nothing. Hang on. How? Hang on. Scoreboard player add. Okay, that's where it wants player. So ATM1, and then we want it add pence. Yes, add pence. Okay, and then we just want the value, right? Yes. So set score of add pence for player ATM1 to 4. Press this, and it increases that. So then we can add maybe 10, 14. Boom. So this thing is going to be able to calculate how many add pence is in the machine, which we'll have over on this sign here. Unfortunately, we can't get the add pence into the machine, which is what this guy is for. So yeah, if any of you guys know how to make that work, let me know. We could always do it with just a vanilla item sorter, like a survival item sorter. Not a problem, but it's just going to be a bit of a pain. I also want it to work in a hopper too. I've just been testing it with chest because the hopper just didn't want to function in any capacity. This guy though, he does work. If we go slot B, count B, okay. Well, it didn't work. It should do in theory. Slot B, count B, ID stone. Who knows? I don't know. This MBT data, it weirds me out. I don't like it. So that doesn't function. That doesn't function. Let's get rid of both of those. This thing functions, which is nice. We just need to get that to work. How long have I recorded now today for this episode? We're getting to like the 20-ish minute mark. So yeah, I'm going to work on this off camera. The episode's a little short, but I don't really have anything more to add now because it's going to take me a while to work this stuff out. If you guys know how to get this to function, let me know. That'll be fantastic. But as always, hang on, hold on to your hang-ons. Don't go anywhere. We have, or I have, because you were about to leave. I have solved it. So we have AdPence 1. First thing first, I messed up the name. This one is called a 1 AdPence. This one's called an AdPence 1. That was never going to function. But 2, we've got the B's and the S's, BS and stuff in. We've got the 0. We've got the Minecraft. We've got the ID. This is another important part. We've got ID Minecraft die. Okay, so that's also important. All the tags, names, blah blah. Name, no, with no brackets, no wibbly wobbly quotation marks, no nothing at all. And we press the button and successfully found the block. Ha 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 ha! Ha! Okay, so now the important part. We need to make sure it works with a hopper. So let's give the hopper this to latch onto for now. Okay, and put the add-pence 1 in here. Okay, it's going to say, hey, we're just looking for a hopper, not a chest. So let's change the chest to hopper. Okay. Had data value as 10, expected 2. Okay, then we'll change the data value. Come on, come on, come on. And yes! Yes! Oh, that's so good! Oh, it makes me so happy. Okay, nice. Right, so come over here. Boom, boom, boom. Hopper, boom. Okay. Boom, boom. Let's take this and go to here. My base has just gone really high, I think. Yeah, oh crap, my base is so high. Why is my base so high? Anyway, let's take this command, boom, and throw that into, that's my clear, yes, okay, so we'll throw this into here. Right. Let us now change the coordinates. So the coordinates need to be 168, 32, 432. Okay, I can do that. I can do that. Okay, change that again. We'll do done on you. So 168, 32, 432. Let's go 168, 32, 432. Oh no, 167, 31. Dang it, okay. 167 and 31. Okay, so if we do you, data value 2, expected 10. Okay, that's fine. I can change that. Don't know why that changed, but I can do that. Successfully on the block. Ah ha 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 ha. Okay, right now, boom, like that. Yes, that's going to clear that. That's fine. We now want to run some redstone along the top here. Okay, let's start clearing out some of this area. Stupid gravel, go away. Stupid gravel, go away. Stupid gravel, go away. Thank you. Okay, and we'll do that, and we'll also put in a piston. Pistons are really good for testing if something moves, if something pulses. Okay, so now I need to give myself, let's go to MC Stacker real quick. MC Stacker, give, and it's using add-pence 1, not 1 add-pence, right? Name add-pence 1, yes. I'm gonna have to change that, but for now we'll just do, in fact, you know what, we'll change, we'll risk it. We'll risk it, we'll change a thing that we know is working to be different. So instead of 1 add-pence, or instead of add-pence 1, become 1 add-pence, that's what I want the name to be properly. And then we'll do this, give me this, okay, okay, right. So now we have, oh, we already had one, that's fine. Right, now we have one of these. Okay, so if we put you in here, it should 1, go into the hopper, 2, clear the hopper, and 3, send the pistons skyrocketing. Okay. I didn't hear the piston go. Okay. It may be because of this. It's clearing the data. So let's get, let's just go, command nothing right now. Just do nothing right now. Okay. So hopefully, aha! Ha! 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 It works! It works! It's so amazing! So the clearing thing we're going to need to delay until after all these have gone. Okay, like after it's checked everything. But each of these here is going to trigger on a different value of ad pence being added to the machine, and each one of those is going to add a different score to ATM1, and then it's going to update the sign, clear the hopper, allow the next thing to come into the hopper, and it's going to just do it one item at a time. Oh, it's so perfect, and it works! That makes me so happy. I'm excited now. Okay, so I'm going to do that off camera, away from the camera, until next episode, because we're probably over time by now because of just the excitement that's going on. It's so good. So, as always, I'd like to thank Patron Server for hosting the Patron Server. Not Patron. What? I would like to thank Pickle Hosting for hosting the Patron Server. The Patron Server it doesn't host anything. Pickle Hosting for hosting the Patron Server. I would like to thank the patrons for their continued support and for hanging out with me while I'm being slightly crazy. I did see a name up here somewhere. Where did they go? Where did they go? Oh, okay. Well, whatever. If you would like access to the Patreon server where you can gamble in the... Oh, there's the name. Is it Billy Bob? Oh, it's Lilyberry. Hello, Lilyberry. If you'd like access to the Patreon server... That's so noisy. I'm going to hang out over here. If you'd like access to the Patreon server, you can head on over to my Patreon page, and a pledge of $10 a month will get you access to the Patreon server where you can hang out with these cool people and do cool things like go to the casino and hang out with my excitement. But as always, I'm going to leave Lilyberry to finish the episode. Say something to end the episode. Oop, I shouted that. Make it count, Lilyberry. Excuse me.